Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna show you the best top 3 DSLR cameras. I made this video based on my research to find out more information about this amazing DSLR cameras. You can check out the description below. As always, all the links to all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. So for the most up-to-date information along with updated prices, be sure to check out the description. Make sure you watch the whole video. Click the like button and subscribe our channel. First up is the Nikon D3500. Our choice for the best budget DSLR camera if budget is a main concern. When choosing a DSLR camera, then you're going to want a good one. The Nikon D3500 has a lot to offer for those who want great quality photographs. Without having to pay a lot more money, priced competitively. Under $400, it's still capable of taking very good photographs with some surprising bells and whistles you may not expect in a camera at this price. The D3500 main focus is on ease of use. Its solid body is both durable and easy to hold while allowing for easy shoots. This camera includes a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor with an ISO range of 100 to 25,600 for excellent shot quality. The D3500 can take a whopping 1,550 photographs before needing a recharge, which is great for all-day shooting use without having to worry about bringing a backup. The inclusion of auto and guide modes let you take stunning photographs at high quality, while also learning the camera's functions like you would during a tutorial session. The 3-inch display of the D3500 features a dot resolution of 921,000. Which is both cost-efficient and versatile for framing your shots and spotting fine details. It also includes an optical viewfinder with 95% coverage range, which is very solid for an entry-level DSLR. Bluetooth connectivity allows for file transfer to your smart device via Nikon Snap Bridge technology. This can be set to auto for images to transfer immediately when you take a shot or later. The Nikon D3500 offers up remarkable battery life, excellent photo quality, and a compact, easy-to-use design which is wonderful for those just starting out. Second on the line Canon EOS 5D Mark IV, our pick for the best overall DSLR camera for video. If you're a professional shooter, looking for a top-tier DSLR camera that takes premium quality photographs as well as excellent video, it's a well-balanced camera that adds in luxury functions and features for perfectionists, both professional and hobbyist alike. With a price tag, this camera comes with a 30.4 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, which is advantageous for those who love the larger pixel count of full-frame cameras. It boasts a 61-point autofocus system with 41 cross points that serve to expand coverage and make focusing within your shot a breeze. The camera has an ISO range of 100 to 30 mm and expansion of 50 to 102,400, meaning there's very little places you can't shoot. It's more than capable even in low light conditions. It offers a continuous shooting mode of 7 frames per second with very accurate autofocus tracking and adaptive exposure to guarantee consistency in each shot. The Bullfin GPS offers tag videos and photos with satellite-based universal timecode. The Mark IV is quite expensive, which can put it out of reach for many photographers. The EOS 5D Mark IV thanks in large part to an incredible set of hardware that makes it well suited for any number of shooting tasks, both great and small. Finally, we have the Nikon D80, our choice for the best DSLR camera for photography for photographers who value excellent shot quality above all else. A top quality DSLR camera is a must. The Nikon D80 is aimed squarely at photographers who want the best photo quality in a camera that is also intuitive and easy to use. It's definitely priced in the higher spectrum at just under $2,800, but it's an absolute warrior when it comes to capturing ultra-detailed beautiful photos. The D850 sports an incredible 45.7 megapixel sensor to capture supreme amounts of detail and color. Its autofocus system is highly advanced, offering 153 individual focus points and 99 cross-type sensors, plus a dedicated autofocus processor to instantly track fast-moving subjects. Even in low light conditions, the D850 also features burst shooting up to 9 frames per second, which is higher than competing models and gives you extra flexibility to find that perfect shot in the middle of a high-speed sequence. The tilting LCD touchscreen is a nice touch for photographers who want a little more versatility for their display, especially when placed higher on a tripod. The fast responsive screen feels like navigating a smartphone, allowing you to select between touch autofocus, touch shutter control, and menu navigation with ease. It also shoots in 4K UHD as well as 1080p up to 120 frames per second. For super slow motion playback, the Nikon D80 has only a few faults, most notably on the 4K video recording side with rolling shutter issues and no focus peaking, but these aren't overly problematic. It's definitely a pro-level DSLR that can be used on professional gigs or merely by photographers who want the absolute best in class photo quality. Shots are beautiful, detailed and accurately exposed with wonderful color accuracy. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in future. Goodbye.